To clean debris from under the pallets in the DStacker, confirm that the indicator circles are green. If there is a pallet staged in front of the pallet stack, remove it and place it to the side. Enter the bottom pallet and drive fully in until the stripper bar contacts the stop. Turn the key switch so the yellow light comes on. Dispense the bottom 2 pallets onto the walkie rider and park it in front of the machine. Lift and rotate both the left and right safety arms under the pallet stack until they fall into the locked position. Remove the debris by sweeping the floor under the pallet stack. Lift and rotate the safety arms out and into the stowed position. Ensure that your feet are not near the pallet stack. Then switch the machine to run. The pallet stack will lower to the floor and the yellow light will turn off. The latches will reset into the second pallet and the indicator circles will turn from red to green. If the machine is being used with a staged pallet, place the single pallet in front of the pallet stack. Park to the side of the machine and fill out the cleaning chart.